Hey guys, it's the Puppet Master here. It's Puppey. It's Big Daddy Throws. It's Puppey. Yeah, that's me. As you can see, I've grown my hair out to pursue my career in music, seeing as how I've quit Dota 2. Last place. They don't call us winners for losing. I didn't write anything because yeah. I used to be so good at Dota, and now I'm not, 'cause I suck a lot. I'm the only one on my team that seems to be able to feed weight. No, my team sucks too, except for the man with the golden plan, the golden man. He's the golden planet man. You know what I'm talking about. He quit streaming on Twitch and I made like 30 fucking rap songs about him. No, I didn't. That's the other guy. It's not Puppey. It's me and it's E and it's not RTZ, 'cause he's the only one that does shit. Doesn't get kills, he gets last.